Welcome back everyone. In this video, you'll see a really cool technique using a white epoxy base. It's very simple and easy to do. Check it out.
All right, now our third board. And who knows, maybe I got enough to do 4. Let's just see how this plays out. So this technique we'll be doing chrome metallic spray paint using a squeegee. And we're gonna create the look of color inside the epoxy, like a lot of granite does. It looks like the color's like underneath the surface, and that's what we're gonna do in this technique. So again, we're gonna do spray paint into a container. This is silver metallic, chrome metallic. The metallics do a little bit different effects than just the spray paints. So again, rag it, spray it in there for a minute till we get some liquid. And then we got our liquid spray paint. And then I'm just gonna kind of dump this out randomly. And then we're gonna take our squeegee, and it's almost like oil and water. This really doesn't want to blend, see that? So I'm gonna really work this into the surface. Just take my time, keep working it. Really want to get that under the surface there. Once I kind of got it under the surface, then we're going to hit it with clear isopropyl. And again, big drops. And I use quite a bit of color, right? So if you wanted more white, right? If you wanted more white, less of the silverness to it, you would just add less color. But I really like how this turned out. Really, really cool. So we're gonna add a little more white pigment to this to kind of lighten it up, and then we'll disperse it one more time. Okay, so I'm just gonna pour this out, maybe in a couple vein patterns. So let's disperse this. So see, it kind of just chopped up. The white went down, it pushed out, it kind of chopped up that solid silver all through there. So we'll just use the rest of this. Yeah, this is looking really, really cool. Now we'll spritz it one more time. We'll let it level out and do its thing, and we'll show you guys when these are all dry.
Thanks for watching. If you want to see other cool techniques and looks using a white epoxy base, check out these videos. Don't forget, subscribe to our channel, click that bell button so you don't miss any of our awesome projects. We'll see you guys next time.